Greetings and welcome to my channel, View from my desktop. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of a preamp from Douk Audio, the P2. So let's get started. This box we see right here has a big dent. It don't think it goes all the way through. Let me open it up here. See what we're going to get. Yeah, well, it does go all the way through. You can see the hole go all the way through. Didn't seem to do anything to the foam underneath it. All right. So inside we have I don't know what this is really. A warranty card. Oh, y'all seen these before. The warranty card. And here is the manual. I think in 2 languages. All right. So in here we have a remote. This looks like a different remote than what was on the in the ad. Looks like a much better remote. So that's good for so far. Bluetooth antenna, power cord. This seems to be 12 volt, 1.5 amps. Okay. These tubes, I know these tubes is hard to tell. I know they have to get tested, but this looks a little more than just tested. So we're gonna see if these things work or not. And unfortunately with tubes, it's kind of hard to tell. You just have to hope, sort of, that the company is, or someone along the line didn't replace your tube or something. All right, here you go. The 2P2. RCA, Bluetooth, USB. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Takes a SD card, looks like here. USB, has a headphone jack, infrared for the remote, bass, mid, and treble. I think one of these is for the volume, and another one's for the LEDs. So I think these buttons have a multi-function. I never did this before, so I'm gonna have to go through it to find out what they are, and I'll go through that in the review. On the back we have Bluetooth antenna, RCA input, RCA output, 12 volt adapter jack. All right, looks nice. Feels okay. It's not doesn't feel doesn't feel bad, but we'll see. We'll plug it up and see if it works, and then we'll connect it to an amplifier and see how it plays. All right. So that's it for the Douk Audio P2 Mini Bluetooth 5.0 vacuum tube preamp. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and please stand by for the review. And remember, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we do upload the upcoming videos. All right. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.